Hi everybody. Today our topic is network devices. Network devices. Network devices. These network devices are also called physical devices. Physical devices. Why we are called as physical devices? Because these devices are visible and touchable. These devices are visible and touchable. Visible and touchable. And these network devices are used to receive the signal, receive the signal, receive the signal, and maintain the communication. Maintain the communication. Maintain the communication. By default, the network devices are used for communicating and interaction between the hardware and computer network. And by using of these devices, maintain the, for some example of communication through the one computer to another computer, or one computer to many computers, or many computers to the server also. And this is the maintaining of communication and interaction. Communication and interaction. Communication and interaction between the hardware on computer network. Computer network. These using of network devices, we are getting the communication between and interaction between the hardware and computer network. And these network devices are used for many sub devices. And by maintaining some network communication from the one place to another place by the network LAN connections. And in this we have some basic devices. In this we have some basic devices for networking. And that one is repeaters, and hub devices, and switches, and routers, and gateways also, and we are known about modems, and etc. we have, but basically we are using these network devices. But these devices are how to work in the communication maintenance and the signal processing of network devices. First of all, we will discuss about repeaters. The repeaters, what is the job of repeaters in the network? The repeaters is receiving the signal, and retransmit the signal. What is the job of repeaters? These repeaters' job is receiving the signal from the network and retransmit the signal to the source, to the destination by the repeaters. That it is taking the signal of receiving input and retransmit the same signal to the output or destination side. And also these repeaters are extend the transmission line. Extend the transmission line. Why? Because of extended transmission line means it is repeaters are extend the transmission of line with the signal of network for the longer distance. The longer distance also the communication established by through the repeaters for extending the transmission line. That's why the communication is repeat at longer destination. Extend. That's why the repeaters are used in the network devices. And diagrammatic representation is very clear receiving signals are shown in this. If you are observed, and one more point here, the repeaters are, if the signal is weak, if the signal is weak, the repeaters are copy the same signal and regenerate the original strength of signal. Regenerate the original signal strength. If the signal is weak in the network, the repeaters are copy the same signal and regenerate the original strength of signal by using the repeaters. Then the communication is notch cut. For example, the original signal is this high and the signal is diagrammatically weak. This is called attenuated signal. This original signal is dropped only, decreasing the signal or weak the signal. When we are using the repeaters, the signal will copy the same signal and regenerate the original signal strength. This is the repeaters, and this is regenerated original strength by repeaters. Regenerated original signal strength. This is the repeaters. And next one, hub. Another network device is hub. Hub is nothing but multiple repeaters. Before we are discuss repeaters. Repeaters are in the two ports. One is input port, another one is output port. And the hub is nothing but multiple repeaters, and also multiple ports. And this is also used for receiving the signal and retransmit the signal, and also the extend the signal by the longer distance. And this hub is basically used for connecting the computer to the LAN. Connect the computer to the LAN. LAN is nothing but one of the cable in network cable. LAN is a local area network cable. And the hub is represented like this, and here are the many ports, and multiple repeaters, and connecting individual computers. And one sender, who wants to send the input, all the input by the hub is receiving from the sender side input. This is the hub, and it has the multiple ports, and it has multiple repeaters. This is the hub representation. And also hub is having the three types of sub-hubs. In this one, active hub. This active hub is own power supply, own power supply, own power supply, and transmit the signal power to the original strength power and the wired network. And second one, passive hub. Passive hub. This passive hub is nothing but also it is the representation of active hub and taking the power supply from the active hub. That is called passive hub. From the active hub. From the active hub power supply. And third one, intelligent hub. Intelligent hub. Intelligent hub. It is nothing but like a working as active hub. Working as active hub. Working as active hub, and it is having the own power supply and also the extras it is remote controlling. Remote controlling. Remote controlling, that's why we are called as intelligent hub. The hub is nothing but multiple repeaters and it is having the multiple ports to the basically connected by the computers to the LAN network. And in this hub, sub three topics of observe we have active hub, passive hub, intelligent hub. This active hub is when this hub is active, it is having its own power supply and working areas and wiring networks. And whereas compared to passive hub, it is a passive hub is taking the power supply from the active hub. And the most is intelligent hub, it is working as an active hub and it is having the own power supply also, but extra we have the remote controlling. That's why we are having the intelligent hub. This is the network device and we are discussing the repeaters and hub, and remaining we are discussing the next class. Thank you.